Record right now, nigga. Now you on the motherfucking camera,
So
nigga.
fucking what, nigga?
Now you on the motherfucking
So
camera,
what?
nigga.
You know what she say? You know what she say? Bastard.
Nigga Marquise hopping back in the fucking car. G skills.
Nigga, I'm the CEO. I'm the fucking Meeks, nigga. That's the other CEO, nigga. That's Leslie.
Oh, you really about to let
Ramon, Leslie. The fuck y'all know about it, nigga? Some nuns on mine.
Yeah, okay, nigga.
Oh, shit.
You heard it,
I'm
nigga?
recording a video, nigga. This chill second and I got the blacks in hand, nigga, too.
Two?
Two.
Dose.
Those, nigga.
Fucking spiffy, nigga. Hey, hold on, low key. I'm not being conceited or nothing. I'm cute as fuck, nigga.
nigga.
You cute as fuck. Hey, nigga, hold on, put me back. No homo. No homo, put me back on, man. For the bitches, the bitches, nigga.
Girls, nigga.
Nigga, fucking bitches. Y'all heard the name. Nigga, tell him. Tell this nigga Pascal that the bitches like it.
You want to show off the test,
I'm
nigga?
blasting both horns.
Yeah, nigga, both, nigga. Okay. I'm naked right now, but I'm getting there. Nigga got more tats.
Nigga, with it.
One.
Nigga,
Two.
Nigga, back naked, nigga.
Oh, damn.
No homo.
Damn, daddy. Anyway, like I was saying. Hey, nigga, I'm kind of cute, though. I'm cute.
No, motherfuckers, for asking me shit.
Hey, man, you ain't gotta be all violent like
Hold
that,
on,
nigga.
give me the motherfucking camera music. Alright, look, nigga, this chill. This motherfucking Pascal.
You driving and recording, my nigga? There's a red light ahead.
I don't give a fuck, nigga. I can see. Nigga, I can see. Which you missed. This nigga Pascal, man, keep asking me to drive and shit.
Well, I mean, I know the
No! Nah, nigga. That's what you need to be on.
Alright. So the two niggas in the back y'all need to be on that shit too. And Gavin, your bitch ain't gonna be on that
I don't give a fuck, nigga. 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 Unless I didn't just activate my piece of paper today, nigga. Now what, nigga? Y'all fucking up, nigga. You fucked up now, nigga.
Nigga, I don't need no motherfucking license. Nigga, this rolling. Fuck all that.
Whoa, hey,
Fuck
hey,
license, nigga. Fuck all that, nigga. Fuck tramps, nigga. That's SB right there, nigga. You see that, nigga? Fuck tramps, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Yeah. And I'm an HK too, nigga. Watch out. Yeah.
Nigga, fuck your shit up, nigga. Hell no. Hell, nigga, get me to touch my motherfucking shit, nigga. Fuck y'all, nigga. Then fuck up with all that shit, cuz. No, hell no, nigga. Don't be touching my shit like that. Nigga, he hurt you? Hey, nigga, get the fuck out of my face, nigga. I'd have dissed the fuck out of your set, nigga. Move! Nigga. I'm gonna throw you out of this moving car, nigga, on everything I love, nigga.
So what?
Throw your fucking pretty boy Floyd hat out the window, mother. Fucking bitch, nigga. Let me cut this shit off. S-Twin, G-Skills. I'm cute as a motherfucker. Fuck this nigga right here.
This nigga Leslie right
Nigga,
here.
fuck him. Fuck this nigga right here, nigga. Hey, don't touch nigga, don't touch.
Put me on the camera, nigga.
Gonna fuck you up, nigga.